Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to configure your first routine in Claude. To get started, it's important to know that you need a paid subscription to access this feature. The steps to create a routine. First, access the Claude code in the left sidebar. Click on the code icon. This will take you to the Claude code interface. Once there, select the routines option to the side panel. You will see a list of your existing routines and the option to create a new one. Click the New Routine button located in the top right corner. When creating a routine, you will need to fill out the following fields. The name, you need to give your routine name. So, example, tutorial routines. Instructions, describe exactly what you want the Claude to do in each session. You can enter a specific prompt or set of instructions. In this example, we are going to put say hello. Select a repository. You have the option to connect a GitHub repository or your cloud storage so Claude can access specific files. The model, here you can choose between different available models such as Opus 4.7, Sonep 4.6, or Haiku 4.5, depending on your requirements. The triggers and connectors. You can define what triggers the routines. For example, the schedule. Run the routine on a recurring basis, like hourly, daily, weekly, weekdays, or custom. The GitHub events triggered by specific repository events, or the API allows you to trigger the routine from your own code by sending a post request. Additionally, at the bottom, you'll find tabs for connectors. This is the integrations with Google Calendars and Google Drives, among others. The behaviors is the behavior settings such as automatic field request autofixes, and the permissions to manage access rights. This requires the pre-selected repository. Once everything is set up, simply click on Create and you'll see the routine status as active, along with details for its next scheduled runs, and that's it. Your routine is now ready to automate tasks in Claude.